Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get iPhone like lock screen wallpaper with depth effect and Samsung smartphone running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see on the left side I have a iPhone smartphone and on the right side I have a Samsung smartphone. So firstly let me show you on my iPhone smartphone. So just open the settings and just click on this wallpaper. Now tap on the customize option. Now click on the left bottom icon and select the respective wallpaper. So now on the right bottom corner you can see one icon, just click on it. Now you can see here one option written depth effect, right? So if I click on this depth effect, you can see the clock is appearing behind the particular image, and if I disable this depth effect, it will show before the particular object present in the picture. So if I click on this depth effect again, then it will appear behind the particular object present in the image. So this is the depth effect that is available in the iPhone smartphone. So in order to get a similar depth effect feature on your respective Samsung smartphone, what you need to do is just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Depth Effects Wallpaper. On the first list you will see the application, just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just minimize it. And now before proceeding further, firstly just go to the settings and now just scroll down below. Now just click on this lock screen. Now just click on this lock screen option. Now just click on this clock widget. Now just select this no clock and click on done. And now just minimize it. Now just open this DepthX wallpaper. Now we'll see here tons of pre-included wallpapers which you can use, or you can use your own custom wallpapers just by clicking on this icon. Now select the respective wallpaper that you want to add. Click on continue. Now you can see here the clock widget is showing behind the particular object present in the picture, just like the iPhone smartphone. So even you can just pinch upwards if you want to increase the clock, or you can pinch downwards if you want to make it smaller in size. And once you're satisfied, just click on this apply, click on this free. Now just click on this set wallpaper. You can apply it in home screen also, or you can just apply both. Finally we have applied, so let us move to the lock screen. Finally you can see we have a similar iPhone like lock screen wallpaper with depth effect in our Samsung smartphone. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily get iPhone like lock screen wallpaper with depth effect in Samsung smartphone running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.